Hello people of YouTube, this is Third Man again with the Funko Pop Games figure from Evolve, the Goliath. This figure is this monster is my favorite out of the game because he acts like Godzilla. He can breathe fire. Here's the front of the box. This is really cool. The side of the box. Yeah, this guy's a big figure. Here's the back of the box. Right now you can get the Goliath, Maggie, Markov, Val, and Hank. It's all of them in the Evolve series. There's the Goliath on the side. There he is right there. And the kind of jungle background looks really cool. Alright, enough about the box. Let's get this monster out of his cage. Spring him loose. Oh, if I can. Oh, he's sticking in there. Okay, there we go. There he is, out of his plastic. Put his blocks up behind him. And alright. Here Mr. Goliath is. He's kind of not fitting in frame. My Goliath. He's a really cool figure. He's got lots of detail on him. I think he's the most detailed figure. Now he does... I've seen a video where I think he had head articulation or something, but I don't know. So no articulation. His tail's got like a little... feels like rubber. Really detailed for the spikes on the end of his tail. And like I said about him being like Godzilla, he's got spikes on his back. Looks like a gorilla crossed with a predator from Aliens and Predators. He's got some scarring up on his head like he does in the game. Some head spikes. It's really cool. His back spikes look awesome. And here's the first monster you will play as in the game. The game's not that good, but for its time when it came out, it was a good game when everyone was first starting to play it, but that's just my opinion. But it was actually a pretty good game though too. Just muscles on his legs, 4 toes on his feet, 2 front toes, 2 back toes. His arms look really big and muscular, like they do. And yeah. He's a really cool figure. I'm glad I have him as part of my collection. Hope you can find him too. The one I really wanted to get was the one with the red on him. That one was cool. But his eyes kind of looked ugly in that one. And also, I will say, if you have seen Supernatural at all, that these Funko Pops have all black eyes, and in the Supernatural TV series, if you have black eyes, you're considered a demon, so it's kind of funny that I think they look like demons, but yeah, it looks like the camera's following him as he moves. I am not touching the camera at all. It's just the lens moving as he moves. It's just focusing on him. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. See you later.